Welcome back to another video on candlestick trading. Today's topic is how to draw trend line. No wait, how to draw the perfect trend lines. So make sure you drop a like, leave a comment in the end of this video giving us the feedbacks. So let's begin. I hope you have watched the previous video of TradingView on this channel. If not, then first make sure you watch it. Why do we need trend lines? Them because we need to find out the trend of the market, whether the market is in uptrend or in downtrend, by which you can confirm the entry in the market. So let's begin and learn how to draw trend lines. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is go to the tradingview.com over here, type in tradingview.com and the charts will pop up. It does not matter if you trade in stock market, commodity market, forex market, crypto market, any market. The best trading tool, the best trading website that you can use to analyze your charts is on tradingview.com. So that is the reason I am using tradingview.com as a reference over here. Okay, so on the left hand side you can see this tool over here. Simply click it. You can see trend line. Click on it. So to draw a trend line you will definitely need minimum of 2 points. If you don't have 2 points, you cannot draw a trend line. Once you have identified the two trend lines, once you have identified the two lows or two highs in the chart, you can draw the trend line and wait for the confirmation on the third point to trade. Seems difficult? Let's see now. Okay. So suppose you have identified two lows in the market. One like this and the second one like this. Okay, so now you have two lows in the market, that is 2 points, 0.1 and 0.2. Simply click on it, the trend line, click on the first point, click on the second point and just extend it. So the problem with the traders is that they don't have the patience in the market. So after drawing the trend lines you need to wait for the third point to come to you. Okay, so we don't know whether the point would be here, the point would be here, or the point would be here. We don't know. We have drawn the reference line over here, which is called a trend line. Your job is to wait over here and see. Now what you need to see? You need to see the candlestick. Now I have already made a video on bullish candlesticks and bearish candlestick, so please watch them first. So that is the confirmation number 1, trend line, and the second confirmation is the candlestick. These are the two confirmations that you will need to trade. Similar way, you have identified two highs. First high, second higher high. Click on the trend line. First click over here, second click over here and extend it. Now what is your job? Patiently wait for the price to come to you. Now where it will come, we don't know. How will you confirm it? With the help of the previous videos I have shown. So make sure you watch them first. Now this is just the bookish knowledge, right? You are the real traders, you need to learn how to identify them. So let's go to the charts. Okay, just for my preferences I used my candlestick colors in blue and gray. You can use in red and green, however you like. Okay, now this is a chart of Bitcoin in front of me right now. Okay, come to daily time frame. This is just for a reference I'm using. You can use any time frame. Combine the time frame with the candlestick I have shown in the previous videos. It will work wonders. Your job is to take confirmation with the help of the trend lines and the candlesticks. These two confirmations are needed in the market to trade. Okay, so basically we get DMs on Instagram asking about, so which time frame to use, which time frames to use, which candlesticks to use. The question is only wrong. You need to combine the trend lines with the candlesticks. The goal is, are you a day trader, swing trader, or a long term holder? That is the only difference. Okay, so we'll talk about that in later videos. Coming back to the trend lines topic. Okay, so coming back to the daily time frame, which I'm using as an example over here. Okay, scroll out. Now identify two highs or two lows in the market. Keep eye on my cursor. Okay, so I can see one low over here. This is just for the reference. Second low over here. Okay, now once you have identified two lows, this is first low and this is lower high, point 1 and point 2. Now the doubt is that whether to use the shadow of the candlestick or the body of the candlestick. Okay, so not many YouTubers or none of them is going to tell you what I'm going to say you now is that before I say you that, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel. This will keep us motivating. Okay, so now the moment of truth. It is the closing of the candle that matters to you the most. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is identify the points, point 1 and point 2. Use the trend line tool. Click on the closing point of the first low over the first point and the second point over here I can see, and just extend it. Just extend it. The point will not be accurate body to body like that. It will be a minor difference. Remember that. It will be a minor difference. The thing you read in the books are not applicable in the real market. Okay. So from one body to the other body, I can see, or in simple ways, if I can simplify to you, is that the most number of touch points. The more number of touch points, the more accurate is the trend line. So point 1, point 2. Now what did I say? Your job is patiently wait for the third point to come. Okay. Now from the candlesticks, what I've shown in the previous videos, this is not a confirmation. Definitely this is a confirmation. I've already shown this candlestick in my previous videos. So make sure you watch the video first and look at the movement and look at the move. If you entered over here, there's a 20.33% profits. Okay. Now let's see an example of shorting the market. This is a buy example. Okay. Now reset the start. Just simply right click and reset. Scroll out. Your job is to find, the first thing you need to do is find 2 points, point 1 and point 2, and extend it. Okay. This was our point 1. This was our point 2. And like I said, your job is to identify the third point, right? So point 1, point 2, and if you are taking trade over here, okay, this is a pattern I have shown in selling. There's a bearish candlestick video, so make sure you watch it first. So definitely if you entered over here, okay, the market did not fall much, but looking at the time frames, it is a daily time frame, so still you are profitable. Okay, you are still profitable. Okay, even if you're entering over here, taking short position, entering at this candlestick's closing point and keeping a stop loss just above this candlesticks also. Now how to take the targets, I will show in later on videos. If I see a good response on this video, comments and like. So yeah, keep us motivating and we'll drop more videos. How to take the targets, I'll definitely show you guys. Okay, so see, still you're profitable. Definitely if you're keeping a stop loss over here, you might hit the stop loss. Okay, but obviously if you are a long a swing trader, you will keep a stop loss much higher than this. So even if the point came till over here, the price, you did not hit the stop loss, you are still profitable, and see what's the profit over in front of you. Okay, so let's summarize this. To draw a trend line, you will need 2 points, point number 1 and point number 2. After identifying point number 2, and point number 2 is what is your job, you need to patiently wait in the market for the third point to come to you. That means the price to come to you. You will not jump in trades. You will wait for the price to come to you on your trend line. Confirm with the candlesticks I've shown in the videos. Once again, the time frames depends on you, whether what is your goal. Are you a day trader, swing trader, or a long-term holder? I hope I've answered all your questions in this video. If not, make sure you drop your comments and keep supporting us, and make sure you follow us on Instagram also. Thanks for watching.